Hi guys, I'm your host Wayne, and welcome to another episode of Was Hunting.
Second last night of our Illinois hunt.
On this episode, you're going to join myself on my very first self-filmed hunt. I'm after wild turkey in the state of New York. As you can see, as soon as this hen flew down from the roost, she knew something was up. So after getting busted by a deer way out in the field, I finally realized my camera was too close to the window. After moving it back, I was able to sit back and enjoy the show. After only watching deer and hens for the first 2 days, I finally had a big tom enter the field. In the state of New York, you could only hunt till noon hour, so luckily when this tom came in, I still had a few minutes to spare. Obviously my first shot wasn't perfect, but I was lucky enough to chase this turkey down and finish the job. All in all, it was a very exciting hunt, and I was happy to get the very first kill for Was Hunting.
All right. So I shot that 5 minutes before quitting time. I had my bow and the shotgun here. I figured I'd use the shotgun instead. Good thing I did, because this was one tough bird. As you can see, it's got a pretty nice beard here. It almost splits off. And probably an 1.5 inch spur. Unfortunately, one's broken, but I don't really care, so.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Was Hunting. If so, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe to the Was Hunting channel. And of course, thank you for watching.